what do I need to do first with this figure? What do I need to do first? Diamond.
Split it into figures.
I gotta split it into two different figures. Okay? And now I gotta find the area of each of those figures. So Cheyenne, what am I gonna do?
I was gonna ask why I didn't even go downward.
Why didn't it go downward? Oh, that's a good point. We could have done it like this. We could have done it like that. Math is cool.
So we got
Math
two
is cool.
squares, one rectangle.
You could. You would have a rectangle like this or a rectangle like this, but really, it really honestly doesn't matter. Okay, so we can do it Cheyenne's way. All right, so we're gonna do length times width to find the area of each of these figures. So, Janaya, I swear these. All right, so what two numbers am I gonna multiply to get the area of this figure, this part right here?
12 and 11.
12 times 11, or excuse me, 22 times 11. Why is it 22 and not 12, Imani?
Because,
We're doing this shape right here.
because we doing this shape.
Right. So this is our width and our length. Okay? 22 times 11. 22 times 11.
Excuse me, Miss Moss.
Yes, sir.
If we added in 12, you know 12 could have been your height if you would have added in 12.
If we did it across like this, yeah. But we're going to do it this way. Alright? If you do it the other way, let's see if we got the same answer. Math is cool. Let's see. Alright, 1 times 2 is?
2.
1 times 2 is?
2.
What do I do now?
Placeholder.
Brilliant. 1 times 2 is?
2.
1 times 2 is?
2.
What do I do now?
Add
2 plus 0 is?
2.
2 plus 2 is?
4.
2 plus nothing is?
2.
2. So the area of this feller right there is 242 feet squared. What do I do now?
Get the length of wood from the area of the other thing.
So am I going to use this or am I going to use this?
The other one, same time. Same.
35 and 10.
Yeah, because this base.
Well, cool your jets. It's all right. So I'm going to give you a little hint. 35. Remember, we drew this line right here. Did the problem draw that line or did we? We did. So then 35 goes from here to here. Do I want the area of the figure from here to here? I want the area of the figure from here to here. So what's my width going to be in that case?
24.
24. So we're going to do 24 times
200.
times what? Times 10. Do I need to do all this work or do you just know what 24 times 10 is?
She added 0.
240, right? That's right. So now I know that the area of this guy right here is 240 feet squared. I'm done now, right?
No.
No, what do I have to do, Christian?
Well, you still got two numbers right there.
Well, I got the area of this guy, this right here,
Now
and I got the area of this right here.
Now you can do 12 and 10.
No, we've got the area of everything that we want to know the area of. What do I do, Cheyenne?
Add them all up.
Add them up. Christian, what do I do? You got it. So I'm going to do 242 plus 240. 2 plus 0 is?
2.
4 plus 4 is?
8.
2 plus 2 is?
4.
482 feet squared is our answer. Diamond, when you did it another way, did you get the same answer?
Nope. Not at all.
You didn't get the same answer. All right, let's do it the other way and see what we did wrong. So if we did it like this. All right, to find the area of this shape right here, what am I multiplying?
11 times 12.
11
32.
times 12. And I got 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Placeholder, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1.
It's not 1 times 1, it's 1 times 2. Oh.
I was doing the second one, the second digit there. So this is 132. All right, which two numbers am I going to multiply here? 10 times 35, which is 350. So 350 plus 132. 2 plus nothing is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 482? 482.
How about that?
Math is cool. There are lots of different ways that you can get answers. All right, are we ready for number 2? Go to class, please. Go to class, please. Go to class, please. All right, let's go to number 2. All right. Imani, come up here and draw a dashed line for me where we are going to split our figure up so we have separate figures. finding the area of one of them?
So we're not doing the perimeter no more.
Can I do it?
Can you do next?
You say
I
we?
don't want to do it.
We're split, what two figures are we gonna make? How are you gonna split? You got it, girl, excellent. Okay? So now, what do I have to do? Let's find the area of this figure right here. Let's do this one. What am I gonna do? Cheyenne, what do I do? 6 times 10, which is? So we got this area, be 60 inches squared. Alright? Now here we have a problem. I know that this whole side here is 12 inches. I know that the whole side from here to here is also 12 inches. Why?
Because opposite sides are equal.
Opposite sides are equal. But I need to know how far it is from here to here. What do I do?
Well, you do 6 plus whatever is 12.
6 plus whatever this is here, question mark, is 12. So what must this be equal to? 6. You guys are brilliant. Okay. So what two numbers am I going to multiply to find the area of this figure right here?
12 times 6?
12 times 6. What is that, Diamond?
What?
12 times 6?
72.
72 inches squared. All right, Christian. I've got the area of my two figures. What do I do next?
Add them all up.
Add them up. Oh, you got it. 60 and 72. 2 plus 0 is? 2 plus 0 is? 6 plus 7 is? 13. 13 inches squared is your answer. Let's do one more together, and then I'll let you do a couple with your partners. All right, Janiyah, come on up and split up this. You don't want to do it? Somebody else. Tiana, come up here and split this figure for me. Split this one up for me, number 3.
This one?
No, it's 3.
Why did you up next say number 2?
Oh, I don't know. It must have been a mistake.
Hold on, you still got one more
Excellent.
left. You got one more left. You can go down too.
That's right. We could do it 2 separate ways. Thank you. Which way do you want to do it? Do we want to do it the first way or the second way?
You can do it the
First
first way.
Let's do it the first way, all right? So let's pretend that this guy isn't here. All right. So let's find the area of this here. I know that this whole side is equal to what?
15.
15, but I don't want to know the whole side. I want to know from here to here.
Well, you know, the last one that you did, the bottom is 4.
You're right. So when we draw out our full rectangle, we know that from here to here is 4. So something plus 4 equals 15. 11 plus 4 equals 15. So we know that from here to here is 11. All right? So to find the area of this shape right here, what am I going to do? What am I going to do?
And what's left?
Multiply, right? Which numbers?
4,
Which numbers? 4 and
15.
15.
11. Why is it 11 and not 15?
Because 15 is the whole entire side.
You got it. 15 is the whole thing. We found the 11 was just this part here.
So it'll be 44.
So we know that this is 44 centimeters squared. All right, now we got to do the bottom. Here to here is 9. What am I going to multiply by?
4 times.
Times 4. What's 4 times 9?
36.
36. Janiyah, do you know what I do next time? I got the area of this figure. I got the area of this figure. What do I do to find the whole thing?